What's up, guys? Welcome back for a brand new video. This is a part 2 from the last video. The last video I was filming for too long and I had to pause and make a part 2. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm not joking about this. I'm serious. My game crashed and I lost this king ranch, so I had to rebuild it. That's why I haven't filmed all the way to now. And I'm serious about the liking and subscribing. I am serious. I really need you guys. Guys. Please, guys, please, can you like and subscribe to me? I have posted already, maybe 9 videos. This is gonna be my 10th video, and you are not even, and we're not even up to 10 subscribers, and we're not even to 50 likes. I'll probably make it easier for you guys. 20 likes and 10 subscribers. How about that? You subscribe to me? I'm serious about this. Please subscribe and like. I really need the support, guys. I really do. Sorry about the message. Please, guys, I really need the support. Okay, let's just get into the video. Okay, you heard me in the intro. I need the support, guys. I really actually need it. But this is a part 2. Okay. Let's add a little Ford logo right here. Ford right here. And no. I'm just wasting my time here, guys. I didn't get to test run with a trailer yet, guys, so guys, this is very serious. I'm sorry about how long the video was yesterday, but I just am sorry with how long the video was, guys. And I really actually need the support, guys, because I can't be rich if I don't have any subscribers. Why? Just give me support, guys. Please give me support. And I really want the support. Please like, subscribe, and it's very serious. I really actually need the support. And so I'm gonna be towing the King Ranch with the little trailer. Or should I use the TC Customs F450 Super Duty? And should I put the TC Customs F450 Super Duty on the trailer, or just leave the Hot Wheels Tacoma on the trailer? Oh, also go like and subscribe on the Hot Wheels Tacoma video. Please, 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 please. Please and thank you, guys. Please and thank you. And also like and subscribe to this video. And also this video. And also this video. I'm just gonna leave the Hot Wheels trailer on there. Guys, and also subscribe to the new update video and like to that video too, and also the character. This one was really fun to do because it's really cool and I loved it. And sorry about the notification about Diego. Miss Mojo. Yeah, I really actually loved this video. Loved this video. Wait. Oh my gosh. No, I don't want to wear that. I don't want to wear that. I might change my character in Offroad, unless if we get 5 likes. Okay. Let's just. Sorry about that bag and sorry about the chaos in the background. Wait. Let's do the quick race. Guys. Let's do the quick race because it will probably be really good. And also there's a hill that I want to try. Hold on, guys. Let me yell for my mom real quick. Okay, guys. I'm back. I'll call for her in a couple minutes. Sorry about the chaos, guys. The cats everywhere. They're running everywhere. Okay. Oh. Sorry about me shooting my own truck. Let's hear how it runs. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's how it officially sounds. I can't believe that. It sounds so nice. I don't park the trailers, right? Now there's a little parking spot for trailers. I really like the rims on this. The rims really stand out on this truck. Is it just me, or does the rims look really actually good? And also the color on the let me yell at my cat real quick. Okay, I'm back. I was yelling at my cat because it was making so much chaos in the background. I'm sorry about the chaos in the background with the cat. So, I was yelling at my cat like a million times because it wanted me to stop making chaos in the background. Put the trailer right here. Let's test how this thing runs in the wood because let's do a quick race. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry I have to pause because my mom interrupted me, so I have to pause. Okay, listen. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh shoot. This thing just rips. Do you see this, guys? It's like the freewheel, but even better. Jeez. Oops. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? Just oh, now you can't see. Oh, now you can't see. Offroad Customs. I'll probably watch this down when we get to the yard. But there is one spot that I want to do. And it is the Rocky Mountain. I want to try to get over the whole mountain without any fall. Daddy, I probably can't do this. Can the F450 King Ranch do this? Can it? Can it? Ooh. Dang it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. We're so close to the... We're on the wall. We're right here by the wall. Luckily, I put a toolbox on this thing. And I can clear it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Let me... again. Oh, I can't. Anyways, because I'm in a quiet place right now, and I can't talk. Wow. So, sorry that. Yay! Sorry about that. I almost fell. I almost fell. Let me walk. I'll probably put a emoji on the left-hand corner. Oh yeah, this is most difficult. I thought this was easy. Look at this. Easy. This thing just rips with everything. Doesn't do on rocky hills. Does good on this kind of stuff. That means it's a good farm truck, kinda. Yeah, King Ranches has a farm truck, right? Sorry about the 15% farm truck thing. Oh, we're in Rocky Hill. Oh shoot, I forgot about the tires, guys. Oh, easy peasy lemon squeezy. see the backflip, guys? Front backflip? I don't know. Did you see that, guys? Look around the corner. Oh, jump up here. Oh, easy. 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 Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. It's like a dream. It's like the dream floor. Oh, shoot. Oh, easy. 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 Do you see this, guys? Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Do you see this, guys? It's just dripping through the mud. I'll power wash this. Ooh, yeah, I forgot about this one. Okay, guys. I'm going to go to the yard real quick and power wash it down, and then I'm going to end it off there. So, let me get to the yard. Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, guys. Like, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I post a video every day. And I'm serious about the subscribe and like. And you better do it, guys. And peace. Love you guys.